Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to transform a text into AI voice. Now let's begin. Initially go to Lovo.AI and sign in if you already have not. Once you have signed in, you will be directed to this page. Now we simply need to create a project. Click on this create a project button with a plus icon. Now there are different ways of creating a project. It can be AI voice and video, short voiceover, or auto subtitles. If you want to create AI voice along with a video, I recommend you to choose this option. But for now, we're just trying to convert text into voice, so let's select short voiceover. Let us start the project. Now in this text box, you can input your text. Once you have written the text, you can simply click on this button, that is generate, to generate your AI voice. You can also change the speaker from here. Simply click on this button and you can see lots of voices here. You can select these. You can experiment from here. For now, let us experiment and simply click on generate. Once the text has been converted to speech, you can see it here on the recent generation tab. Let us play the audio file.
Hi there, this is Greg and I hope everyone has an awesome day ahead.
This is one of the methods to transform your text into a speech. You can also import text by clicking this button and importing your text file. Well guys, that's it for the video. This is how you convert a text to speech. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.